I have news. I have bad news. I have devastating news. And I have shocking news.
What's the bad news?
The bad news is this phone got dropped. But like, it's been dropped before.
Like 10,000th time.
Yeah, it's been dropped before. This thing is, I mean, she's a brick. She's a rock. You know, she's indestructible, except for the last time it got dropped, it's less indestructible.
Yeah.
He can't be in the house without the calls dropping. What network is that? Like a...
It's, if you don't understand, this is called a 3G network. So like 10 years ago, it was cream of its crop.
Okay, and do they even allow you to open a phone under a 3G network anymore?
No, the network's gone.
It's obsolete.
It's gone.
So...
I think I'm the only remaining one on it.
I'm pretty sure you are.
Globally.
So, bad news, phone doesn't work. Like, I call him, I text him, and get so furious because
she thinks I'm ignoring her.
I'm like, answer your phone. It has nothing to do with Joel. He's just not getting it. This is the point where mommy draws the line. I'm like, Joel, you are getting a new phone. I don't care what hang up you have about getting a flippin' smartphone. You are getting a phone, okay? You have to change your phone. My yay.
What's the devastating news?
I was gonna say, are you ready for the devastating news? When I tell you that Joel had an emotional day yesterday, it is not for like dramatization. Okay, so in Joel's phone, he has a SD card and the SD card cracked. And he has photos on that phone that like only Joel has. Baby pictures of each of the kids, but like these are like the Lowe's bathroom with a car seat at his feet type photos. You know what I'm saying? Or like, I haven't seen or spoken to my wife in a month and she finally sent me a photo of our child, and like that type, you know what I mean? So it's like, there's some emotional pictures on there. And I was like, Joel, they are the worst quality. And he's like, it has nothing to do with the quality. He's like, there's just nothing that can replace those photos. So I feel extremely sad for you. We are going to send it to a specialist to see if they can recover them, and we'll see, Tootie.
They like wrecked me yesterday.
Yeah, he like still can't even like talk about it. You don't know, they might be able to fix it.
I think they can. I have like reading on the internet, they say like there's a good chance they can, so we'll see.
You can see he's like genuinely so sad about it. Do you want to tell him your shocking news, Tootie?
Did I get electrocuted?
I guess you guys are gonna have to come along and find out what the shocking news is. Joel, you're gonna be a new man. Do you have any new words? Don't call me. I'm gonna text ya.
I can text now.
And you're gonna be able to read it like a real thread.
That's like the only thing I care about.
Yeah. He thought it was a phone to activate for our son. And then when we were like, no, really, we're like upgrading to an iPhone. And he was like, oh, it's not a joke. Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's not a joke. Yeah, it wasn't a joke.
I want to know how many people are still on 3G. Like, am I the only human being? Is that possible?
No, you get those like, older generation people that have them. And they're
like mature, more like responsible generation that had them.
You could say the people that were alive anytime between the 1940s and 1960s.
Joel's kind of people.
Me. That's me.
I'll tell you what Joel's phone can do. It can back up his contacts to the Verizon iCloud.
That's right.
Because he doesn't have an iTunes account. So
saved somewhere.
Yeah, so he was not gonna have to hand input all of his old contacts into a new phone.
I genuinely thought I was gonna have to sit there forever doing that.
It's kind of looking like we might though, huh? It's not really cooperating very well.
Oh, it's alright.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sending.
122 of 714.
Nice.
714 phone numbers. How many you got?
You're a cool guy. You probably have more than me in that phone. I don't know how it holds it, but it does it. It sure shooting does.
That's why it's so slow now.
It's all too many contacts. Can't compute. All right. You are the proud new owner of an iPhone 13 Pro
Want to see it?
Mini. However, it'll be in the mail in 2 days.
2 days.
2 business days.
2 weeks.
How do you feel?
No different. I feel like I'm walking out with the same phone.
This is the day we've been waiting for!
Hello. Hi. Signature. I bet you do.
This is very exciting package for us. He's like, I don't care. How long has it been since we ordered these phones?
The longest 2 weeks of my life.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. Caught a vibe. Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just want to look into your eyes. You're not doing a TikTok dance for me.
I don't know the TikTok dance.
You know In the Vein. Do it.
What's the dance? Oh.
Caught a vibe. You pull out your pretty little phone. I actually kind of, wait, this is like a big moment. Wait. Let's get a picture with you. I got it, Tootie. I got your picture with your new phone box, Tootie.
How do I open this?
Oh, sick boy's ready. Linky stayed home with a sick tummy this morning.
Oh, she's brilliant.
Joel, mirror the phone. Mirror the phone. I need to clarify. Clarify for everybody. Mirror the phone. What do you think? Oh my gosh.
It's freezing cold. It's like a brick of ice.
Joel, the folks at home have tears in their eyes for ya.
Do they?
They have tears in their eyes for ya.
All I want to do is just text.
She's a foggy girl.
Making her blush.
That's because you keep telling her how cute she is and I'm standing right here.
Oh, she's pretty. Look like, oh gosh.
Nobody's excited for Bonnie to get her new phone. I am. Check it out. Okay, hold on.
She's pretty.
It's about as clean as it'll ever be. So we've got the front. Face ID. Joel Hoellein. I mean,
My old phone could do that.
this is some pretty awesome stuff. I'm just gonna sit here and watch it. You just get that face recognized. It'll tell you what to do, Toots.
Okay.
Believe it or not, Joel is the one that always sets up all of my electronics. So he's like not dumb. He knows what to do, but what's exciting is everything has always been mine. Like the iPad is set up in my name. We use my phone for like everything. Duty, I'm really excited for ya. Did you accidentally take a screenshot? We're gonna experience a few firsts here.
Hey Siri, set an alarm for 11:10.
Nice. We just cleaned up dinner and Joel's looking through his phone.
Like you open it up and out of the box it's got this much garbage all over it. Like that, I mean, would you like a person to go insane or hate their smartphone?
He was like, this is way too chaotic.
It is.
He's
I mean,
like,
honestly.
he's all, do you want people to want an iPhone? I'm like, honey, everybody wants an iPhone.
Do they?
Okay, this is just really funny. And what I was thinking we could do was send out your first emoji. I mean, Joel sent me an emoji, but it's not appropriate to show. I think he's been waiting a long time to send it.
Having to build that on my own phones.
Can I just tell you, what are those called? Emoticons?
Those are emoticons.
Joel would build me very inappropriate emoticons. And I'm like, wait, how did you learn how to do this? He's like, I just thought it in my mind. Because they were very unique, very clever. I mean, you knew what they were when you saw them. However, he has access to now emojis. His phone has never been able to receive emojis. Lady, would you calm down? Get out of here.
His phone's not
Daddy's not gonna hold you. Go away. I think we should send out an official emoji text to my family because everyone knows in my family not to include Joel on group texts because everybody uses emojis and Joel's phone just like would freeze up. You can have a group text now.
How do I not be in those group texts still?
Yeah, Joel was like, if I get sent group chats, he's like, can I ignore them? I was like, yes, you can ignore them.
How do you, can you take yourself off?
I
of
think
the
you
group
can, but that's like really rude.
My poor little brain is just not capable of functioning. At this
Do you
kind
want
of
to know? Joel loves old school. He loves simple. It's like Joel is very smart. Joel is very like hardworking, but he's very simple. He likes things simple. And I'm thinking.
Okay, so Jared, Mika, Elvis.
All right, we've got
okay,
Jared, Elvis.
Landon. You guys do this on a daily? This is ridiculous.
What did you say, Cody?
You know how to really work with them.
The kids will teach you, sweetie.
I would like to send out the first official group text with an emoji.
From my iPhone with an
From
emoji.
my iPhone.
Now you have to, okay, Joel.
No, that's perfect.
How is the birdie finger not an emoji, Joel? Okay, while Joel finds the emojis he wants to send, I want to show you how pretty the yard looks. Joel just mowed the lawn. Got all the leaves raked up and mowed up, and we had to move the furniture in so that it could dry out and not be what? Bro?
He's like, bro.
Oh my gosh. Joel hates bro.
Bro.
Okay, anyway, because we need to take our furniture to the storage. Lady's like, I don't care if I'm being choked. I'm just happy to be in your arms. Joel, we're waiting on the text. We need to see the text.
I got one.
All right. One? It took one?
The peacock.
The tree?
That's a peacock.
Peacock.
That's a
Wait,
peacock.
Why are you sending a peacock?
You at least put a skunk.
One? You just want one?
They're
At least
showing off. I feel like this is all too much.
Wait. Tell me why you chose the peacock.
Because the peacock is a boy, and he's showing off his feathers, strutting his stuff.
You know what? I'm sorry. I take back the who tooted. I take back.
Oh, my Cody.
I take back the making fun of the peacock. Send the peacock.
Now, who do you send the eggplant one to?
What's an eggplant?
Like when you're wanting to eat vegetarian.
Yeah, we had eggplant tonight, right?
Oh, no, do the taco. Is that an 8-ball?
Joel, send the text.
Okay. Done.
It's sent and it's blue. It's a blue text message. Joel, you graduated from the green to the blue.
So, did all mine were green before?
Yeah.
Always? Okay.
All right, folks, we're ending the vlog here. This is a big one. You need to give it a thumbs up
Ellie was first.
to like it.
Oh, yeah, Joey.
I think it's clapping hands. I don't know what that is.
Oh, yeah.
Jared sent a gift. Everyone dancing.
Father-in-law sent me a baby with stars in his eyes. And mind blown. This is too much. This is way too much.
Who's F5?
Father-in-law.
Okay, good night, everybody.